Welcome to this technical guide on the Lenovo Ideapad Y540. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your Lenovo Ideapad Y540 is making a strange noise, it can often be a sign of a failing fan or hard drive. This issue typically arises due to dust accumulation or mechanical wear. If left unchecked, it may lead to overheating or even permanent damage to your device. To resolve this, we will need a few tools, a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic spudger, some compressed air, and a replacement fan if necessary. Now, let's get started with the repair. First, ensure your device is turned off and unplugged. Place it on a soft surface to prevent scratches. Using your Phillips screwdriver, remove the screws located at the back of the laptop. Be sure to keep them in a safe place as you will need them later. Once all screws are removed, gently use the plastic spudger to pry open the back cover. Take your time to avoid damaging the clips. With the back cover off, locate the fan, as this is likely the source of the strange noise. Inspect it carefully for dust buildup or any visible damage. If the fan appears dirty, use the compressed air to blow out any dust. If it looks damaged, you will need to replace it. To remove the fan, unscrew the screws securing it in place and disconnect the cable attached to the motherboard. Remember to apply gentle pressure when disconnecting to avoid damaging nearby components. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Once the old fan is removed, take your new fan and connect it to the motherboard, ensuring the cable is properly seated. Secure it with the screws you previously removed. Next, replace the back cover of the laptop, pressing down firmly to ensure the clips snap back into place. Finally, replace all screws to secure the back cover. Now, plug in your laptop and power it on to check if the noise has stopped. If everything is working well, congratulations on your successful repair. To prevent this issue in the future, regularly clean the vents and fans of your laptop. Keeping your device in a dust-free environment can also help reduce the risk of noise and overheating. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.